Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 lunch ideas from a lazy mom. So first we're going to be starting out with the pita pizzas. Beautiful, delicious, you can add whatever toppings you like. So first I'm starting out with adding 2 tablespoons of concentrated tomato paste in a bowl, followed by 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give the paste and oil a good mix. You can season this with some peppercorns or black pepper and some dried mixed herbs. You can even add in some fresh basil to this if you like, just for that extra burst of flavour on the base layer. Then grab your 2 pitas. Pitas are absolutely great for this because, did I mention, there's like 6 to 8 in a pack and they're often usually less than £1, so that's absolutely fantastic. Now just slather on your tomato paste. It's literally enough for 2. Sprinkle over your cheese and add whatever toppings you like. This is great for doing recipes at home with children. And then for the second one, I'm adding in some tuna, some chopped olives, and I even sprinkle over some East African allspice just for extra flavour. Ensure that your oven was preheated to 180 degrees Celsius on grill, not on bake, because we're not baking this, we just want the cheese to melt and all the flavours to come together. This is the East African allspice that I'm referring to. I have this from the Spice Kitchen. So 3-minute recipes, I meant it. These are done in literally 3 minutes and you will have something that looks like this. Next, onto our tagliatelle recipe. We'll start off by heating some fresh tagliatelle, and you literally heat this for 2 to 3 minutes depending on packet instructions, and the pasta is literally ready in this time, no exaggeration. Then you can add in your fresh pesto or whatever sauce you've made. Sometimes I will bulk make pasta sauce and put it into trays in the freezer, and when I'm ready to use them, just defrost them and add them. Or you can use jarred pesto or pasta sauce, just because it's nice and quick and it's already ready. Give this a good mix, and you might want to think about incorporating some fresh herbs just for, you know, those bursts of flavour within the pasta. Sometimes I use parsley, but my favourite fresh herb has to be coriander, so I've added a tiny bit into this, followed by some Parmesan cheese. This is also usually less than £1. So all of these things that I've made today are at an affordable rate. Let me know if you liked this video and I'll do some more like this, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!